we've got our December snack crate. So, where we're journeying to this month? Got any guesses?
No idea.
All right, we'll see soon. Hi, and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy.
I'm Chloe.
And that's Dexter. And if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. We do all kinds of unboxings, unbaggings, get ready with me's, collaborations, all kinds of fun stuff. So if you're into that kind of thing, please consider giving us a subscribe. It's totally free. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. You know, subscribe for Dexter because he's cute. All right, so this is our snack crate from December. It's an awfully big box. I must have ordered extras. I'm assuming it's from December because they're so all over the place with dates. I'll get nothing, and then all of a sudden 3 boxes show up. Okay, so the extras in here, we have some Boxing Day curry flavored potato chips.
Ooh, yum.
We have some Polly Jewel Scum limited edition. These look to be chocolate covered somethings. We'll have to figure that out.
Yummy.
I guess that's getting opened. We have some gingerbread flavored flips.
Oh my god.
All right, so we really like that. We have a Ritter Sport. Well, it's in another language. It's some sort of chocolate bar. That's all I know.
Nice.
And it looks, I don't know. I have no idea. Then we have some Cadbury mini snowballs. So this is how that looks. It's a chocolate bar, but it's got maybe white chocolate in the center.
Yeah, I have the skinny glass.
Sure. Cadbury milk chocolate with micro mini snowball pieces. Okay, that sounds like it's right up my alley.
Yeah, sounds good.
Where are we going to?
Where do you think?
I think it's multi-country because it just says Happy Holidays on the outside.
Yeah.
Okay.
It is.
Show them how it's all wrapped up.
It's all from. Oh, there's something from the U.S., but it's mostly from Europe.
Okay. Yeah. So everything from outside of the box was from the UK.
Oh, this is Germany, I think.
All right. So from Sweden, these are cream cheese crackers. That sounds tasty. This might be a specialty box and not like our regular box.
Yeah, maybe.
That I might have ordered. All right. Oh, these are.
Try Germany if it's not on there.
These are Haribo
Hi.
waffle gummies from Germany.
Hi. Oh, I'm sorry you can't be in that box.
These are some Chips Christmas ham and umami truffle glaze. And those are from, where are those from?
Probably in English country. Yep, United Kingdom. That's what I thought.
Oh, okay, I see, yeah.
Next, so this is Swedish. Juiced muss. Cool. UK, gingerbread Kit Kat.
I think we had one of these before and we really liked it in the advent calendar that we never finished.
Spain, gingerbread man.
Oh, I love gingerbread man.
Hawaii, candy cane cookies.
Ooh.
Arrow, orange bubbles. Probably UK.
Yep.
Oh, gingerbread Oreos. Most likely UK. But I could be wrong about that.
Let me look real quick. Yes. I am intrigued. I want to eat all this stuff. What did you just throw over there?
Nothing.
You just threw something over there.
Okay.
Let me see.
That was an accident.
We have 2 things from Israel. These are dreidel
I think that's the wrong country.
oodles.
Palestine. Israel isn't a country.
And they are tiny, tangy, fruity chews. They sound delicious. Blue raspberry and this looks like maybe fruit punch is the other one.
And, ooh, I don't know what this is, but it's like chocolate with something inside of it. It's like a cookie.
Let me look. These
Gingerbread.
are gingerbread
I knew it was
dipped
gingerbread.
balls from Sweden.
I knew they were gingerbread. I could tell from the color. Orange caramels. What country?
And these will be from Sweden. I can just
Sweden.
tell by the jewel scum.
Snowmen.
Ooh, these look like they're a little bit sour too.
Gingerbread maltsters mini reindeer.
These are from Spain. All right, those are from UK.
And gingerbread elf surprises.
Ooh,
I mean, not gingerbread, just sweet or sour elf surprises.
okay.
Look at it!
So the elf surprises are from the UK. And the gingerbread reindeer is also from the UK. All right, so should we start with the drink?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Oh, you're... Cola? I can't tell.
I think it might be gingerbread flavored.
I can't tell what that is. Do you know what that is?
I don't, but I feel like
Look at the description.
that's what I'm going to do. It was like a little bit of a gingerbread type scent to it, but that could just be my brain.
Gingeritis.
Yes, it doesn't say. It just says
Do you want me to look it up?
Apothecars's Jewel Mist. And there's no pictures on it that would
I'll look it up.
indicate. Yeah. All right, while you're doing that, what do you want to try?
We want to start with savory first because there's so much sweet, or do you want to start
Okay.
with sweet first?
I don't. The only savory we have, I think, is this one bag of chips.
I want to try the chips.
Oh, okay. So you should have just said I want to try the chips.
Yeah, but I was saying, like, do you want to try that first or later? But let's just try it now.
Ooh, you get the curly chip.
It's a classic dark, Swedish Christmas soda. Malt and hop based drink similar to spiced beer, known for its rich, sweet, slightly spiced flavor.
This smells very much like ham. Oh no, we also had the Boxing Day curry flavored crisp. All right, those aren't bad. What do you want to try for sweet? What do you not want to try?
Easy.
Okay, I knew that. Okay. What about the gummy snowmen and the gummy elf surprises and the gummy waffles?
Gummy waffles.
You want to try these?
Yeah.
Okay. Candy cane cookies?
I think they're gonna be really good, but I don't want to try them right now.
Okay. Gingerbread Oreos.
What do you think?
I don't know. We'll put it as a maybe.
Yeah, it's a maybe.
Gingerbread men. I think we can do that at any point.
Yeah.
All right. We've got these gingerbread reindeer.
I think those would be good to try, maybe.
We have the orange bubbles.
How about we put those in the later?
Okay.
Because we had it before.
We've had the gingerbread Kit Kat before.
Yep.
We have the gingerbread balls.
Got
a lot of
the
gingerbread.
gingerbread balls or the Maltesers?
I'm not sure. All right, we have the orange caramels, maybe for later.
Yeah, later. And same with the
Cream cheese
chips.
chips, okay. And then over by you, we have the gingerbread flips.
Those, I don't know if I want to try them now, but I definitely want to pack some with my lunch.
Okay.
Snowballs.
The snowballs is what I want to try.
All right.
That's my one definite.
This
is, I think, just a chocolate, but I don't know if it's milk or dark.
These, I'm interested. I want to try these.
Okay. So you want to start with this?
Yeah.
All right. So these are the Polly Jewel Scum.
I think there's a milk, a dark, and a white.
Okay.
And the middle looks kind of pink, so maybe raspberry or strawberry, but I could be wrong. That's the dark.
Okay. So you try the dark.
Why is it so?
I'll try the milk.
Oh yeah. Oh, maybe a white.
Oh, it's like a chocolate covered gummy.
Yeah, strawberry.
But gummy.
I like that.
I like that too. Okay. Since we're on gummies and you wanted to try these gummies, we'll try the waffle. You got little. Do you want to try that? Do you want to try the waffle cone? Do you want to try the little multicolored cherries?
I wonder what the waffle cone tastes like. And maybe a little cream. Because I know what the berries kind of taste like. I don't know what these are.
Why don't you make a little piece of that?
Alright. Do you want like half or just like a little piece?
Sure. Okay. The cream tastes like cream.
Oh, it does.
And that does have a waffle flavor. Like a waffle cone.
Alright.
Alright. Alright. Which of these do you want to do? The reindeers or the balls? Reindeers?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, these are separately wrapped too.
Yeah, bring it to school maybe.
Your dinner's ready too, just so you know.
I know. This is what it looks like.
Oh, that's got some crunch too.
Am I crazy? I'm not tasting the ginger.
It's like a chocolate covered gingerbread cookie.
I want to taste it now.
All right, and then last we're going to try these snowballs.
That's just chocolate.
I don't see any little...
Oh, I got one.
You got one?
Yeah, they're really small. Good, but I'm going to leave this to you.
Oh, so you can see it right there. Okay, if you get one, there's a little bit of a crunch to it.
Yeah, I got a couple, and it's good. But I'm going to leave this one to you.
All right. All right, so overall, I give this box a 10 out of 10. What about you?
Yeah, I'd give it, I'm not sure what I'd give it.
No?
I don't know.
Okay, I'm going with a 10 out of 10. I am insanely pleased with it.
For the most part, I really like it.
I don't know if I especially ordered this, though, or if this was their December box. I gotta be honest, not really sure. But I feel like it was their December box because it says, like, if you got the ultimate, you got this, this, and this, which is what we have been getting. So I'm thinking this was the regular box.
Yeah, these ones will actually be eaten fast.
And we already have our January box, and we've got to take care of it at some point
Yeah.
later on in the week.
Maybe tomorrow?
Maybe. All right. Well, thank you so much for spending some time with us. She's got to go get her dinner. But please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell for the crazy cat over there who's doing I don't even know what. And hopefully, we'll see you soon.